Alright, in this video, I want to show you how to trade crypto futures using the Bybit exchange. So in my previous video, I showed you how to use Bybit to trade crypto futures. Now in this video, I'll show you how to do that using Bybit exchange. So if you want to be using Bybit, you can just go to my previous video and watch how to use Bybit. Now if you want to use Bybit, then you have to watch this video from beginning to the end so I don't make any mistake while going forward. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the video so that I'll show you how to do it. And by the way, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, this is Blockchain Plus. Just do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel as well, and also if you love this kind of content, please turn on your bell notification icon so that you stay in the know and drop valuable videos like this, and then share this video with your friends so that they also can benefit from content like this. Alright, so let's just dive in so that I'll show you how to use Bybit for your futures trading. Now, this is most likely is going to be a beginner level tutorial. So for those who are struggling, this is going to be for you. Now, if you come to Bybit, you can see like we have on other exchange like Bybit, you can see this is home, this is market, trade, earn, and asset, right? So those are all the buttons that they have here. Now for this one, their own is not spelled as Bybit, unlike sorry our futures. Unlike for Bybit, you have futures right here. This one is earn, but you cannot get your future trading there. So for you to be able to trade futures on Bybit, you need to come to the trade section right here. So you need to go to the trade section right there. So if I click on the trade section, you can see it opens up the this place for me. Now if you see here, you have convert, you have spot, futures, option, trade fee. So trade fee is for those who want to be trading forex using Bybit. But for now, we are dealing with futures. So if I click on spot, you can see this is how you buy or invest in spot. If I click on futures, you can see this is where you trade futures. Now same like Bybit. On Bybit, you can also see that here you have the coins right here. So all you just need to do is to click on this drop down button and you can see all the coins. So here in this place, make sure that while selecting coins, you are on perpetual, not futures. If you're trading futures, make sure you're in perpetual. Then, depending on the currency you want to be using, you can use USDT, USDC, right? So if you're using USDT, make sure you're on USDT, not USDT. Because if your coin is on USDT and you're on USDC, you'll be seeing zero available balance on your coin. Just like here, you can see here available balance is zero. That's because there is no cash in this particular account, right? So let's continue. Now, if I come back to that place, now you can see all the coins right here that I can trade. So all I just need to do to be able to trade anyone, I'll just click on it. Let's say for this instance, this one. So I'll just click on it and it's going to appear right here. Right. So if I want to change it again, I'll come back. Let's say I want to trade XRP. I'll click on it and I'll select XRP. Now, once you come down to the after this level, this place is their chart. So I'll talk about this chart later, but let me just talk about other features. Here you can see isolated, you can see the leverage. So unlike the other one, this one is separated and this one is just one. So on this place, if I click on it, you can see cross, portfolio, and all of that. I already explained about isolated and cross in the Bit video, so there's no point explaining it here right now. So here you can see the leverage. Here you can see you can choose any leverage you want. You can choose any leverage you want. You can also click on customize to customize your leverage, right? Like so. So once you do that, you click on confirm and you can see your leverage has been changed. Now also you have the limits order, you have the price, and you have the order value. So all of these things are what helps you to take your trade on Bybit. For this place that says limit, if you don't want to be using limit, you can click on it to change it to market. Now once you change to market, you notice that there is no order, the price value is no longer here. But if I put it on limit, you can see the price right now is here. So if I want to check a price, depending on the price of the coin that you want to trade, and by the way, if you're not in my Telegram channel, do well to find yourself in the Telegram. Here in the Telegram, we cover a whole lot, right? You can see I do a whole lot in this place, and this is a free community, so you can join here and get access to trading signals, tips and guidance to help you grow. But if you want to take a step further into becoming a professional, then you can join my mentorship and classroom where I teach you and I mentor you on how to do all of that. So for you to join the free group, all you just need to do is to search for Blockchain Plus on Telegram and you join the free group. But if you want to join the mentorship classroom, then you can DM me and then you make a payment and you have access to that. So let's continue with the video. So right here, we're talking about limits. So once you're on limit and you have the price, all you just need to do is to put the price here, right? So for you to put the price, let's say right now, if you look at this coin, the XRP, the price is at 2.9. Let's say you want to sell at 3, right? So all you just need to do is to come here and type 3.0. So that's the price you want to sell. So when the price goes to 3.0, it's going to activate your own. Now let's say once you type it, you want to use $10. So you are going to put $10 in this place that says order value. Now remember, you are trading futures. So for futures, you need to do your calculation. So if you want to use $10, remember your leverage level is what matters again. So right now the leverage is at 11. So $10 will be 11 times 10, which is 110, right? So this place that says order value, you'll be putting 110 here, not $10, 110. So that's what you'll be putting. And now once I put that, you come down to this place that shows you quantity, cost, and liquidation price. So once you come there, you can see here, you can see the cost is showing me $9.86, right? And this is the quantity. And like I explained already in our bit, this 9.86 you're seeing is just the little discrepancies between the spread and all of that that is making it not to give you exactly $10, and also their fee that they charge, right? So that's why you cannot get exactly $10, because when you put $10, they are going to charge you a fee. So if you want to use exactly $10 or slightly below, then you can go to 115. You can see we have $10.4, right? Like so. Now, before I move away from this place, other value, there's another important thing I want to show you right there. So if you look at this place, it says my own says USDT. In some people's own, it may not be USDT. In your own, it may not be USDT. So if your own is not showing USDT, just toggle this button right here. This button you are seeing. Yeah, that one. So just toggle that button, click on it, and then you're going to see here, you can see order by quantity, which is showing you XRP. Then order by value, which is showing you USDT. So make sure your own is set at order by value so that you'll be using the exact amount of dollar you want to use. Because if you put by quantity, let's say I put by quantity right here and I click confirm. Now you can see this 3.0 is not really giving me anything. So for me to be able to know the amount of $10, I want to be guessing. So I'll put it like that, and then I'll wait for it to load here. You can see to be able to get, okay, not there, right? I'm sorry, I'm making a mistake right now. Let me remove this. So this is the price. So it's 3.0. So this quantity right here. So I'll now put, let's say 30. So you now have to wait for this to show you the values, right? Which may take time and all of that. So you don't want to do all of that. So you leave this place at order by value, and then you get your dollar here. So that is what you need to do. Now, if you have done that, you've set your own at USDT. The next place you want to look at is your TP, your SL. So this is the major one you use. You can leave all of these ones. You can leave those ones. So once you've set your entry price, your amount you want to use, you put it at your limit. The next place you want to click is your TP and SL. So you click on your TP and SL to set your TP and your SL. So let's say here I want to use 3.0, right? And I want to use 115. Now the next thing, if I come down, remember it's 3.0. So my stop loss will be here. So what will be my stop loss? Let's say I want to put 3.2. So 3.2 is telling me that my stop loss is going to be, you can see it right there. is 73%. My profit and loss, which is P&L, is $7.6. So this one automatically shows you how much you'll be losing and what percentage of amount that will be when you lose it. Now, again, also if I come to this place and put TP, so let's say I put my TP at 2.5. So you can see 2.5 is telling me how much I'll be making if I'm making profit, and then how much that is in percentage. You can see it right there, percentage and the amount. So that is your PNL, right? And this is the ROI in percentage. Now, always as a beginner or as a trader, make sure you always set your stop loss before you enter any trade. You can decide not to set your TP, but make sure you don't leave your SL open, because if you do that, you might just be losing all your money within a twinkle of an eye. And you don't want that to happen to you. So once you're finished setting all of this, if it's long you're going, you click on go long. If it is short you're going, you click on short. And once you do that, your trade is now active. So once your trade is active, now you see it appear here. Your trade is going to appear here. So this is exactly how you take your trade. Now, because I don't have any cash here, I'm just going to switch to the demo. Everything I will do in demo is going to be the same thing as well that will be happening here. So I want to show you some things on demo when you take the trade. All right, so this is the trade. So let me just take a trade right here. Let me just take it by market and then show you some things. Let me just open long trade. Okay, so let me put my amount. Let me say 100. For me to take 100 USDT is 1000, right? So you can see it here. So 1000 means 100 USDT. You can see this is the quantity. So let me set my TP and my SL. So my SL is going to be below where it is right now. So I'm going to put 2.8, 2.75, which is good. My TP is going to be 3.2 or 3.3, which is also good. So I'm going to open long. So once I open long, you can see right here. So here is what I wanted to show you guys. So if you can see right here, once you open long, you are going to see this, and you're going to see unrealized profit, and that is unrealized PNL. So in this place, let me just explain all of these things. This first one here is showing you the amount. So that is the amount in dollar that you are making. Then this second one here is showing you the amount in percentage that you are making. Now here is showing you your entry price. Here is showing you the exact price that the market is right now. So once you see here that is green like this, it means you are in profit and you can see the amount you're making from the trade. But once it turns red, it means you are in loss, and you can see like right now it's in loss. You can see the amount I'm losing and the percentage. Now let's say you are in profit and you want to close. All you just need to do is to click on close by, and then you put it to make sure it's 100%, and then you click confirm and you close all your trades. But if you want to close partial trade, let's say you've made 50% and you want to close it, you just click on 50% and then you hit confirm, and then it closes your trade, closes 50% of your trade, right? So this is exactly how you use the Bybit to trade futures, especially if you are a beginner. Now, if you have any questions you have concerning all that I've explained, just drop it in your comment section and I will answer the questions for you. And if you love this video, please just hit the like button and also share it to your friends so that they also can benefit from this kind of content. And most importantly, please do wait to follow this channel so that you can also support me in my journey. Alright guys, that is it for me in this particular video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.